I'm all ready to go. You look so cute. All right, let's go.
Bye, Mama.
Bye, Azam.
Bye, Mama. Bye, Mama.
Bye. So, I already started some of these clothes, so I did not do laundry for like a whole week, and we're a family of 6. We accumulate a lot of clothes, and so I had to wash 5 loads of laundry because it was 2 of mine, 2 of mine and the babies, 2 of my older boys, and then 1 of my husband's. Oh no, 2 of my husband's because I did his white clothes separately here. So that was 6 loads of laundry actually. And what I normally do is like I will do a load, fold a load, do a load, fold a load. But because we were like so behind and I was like so busy this week with just like, it was like the last week has been like the start of Ramadan, and there was just so much going on that I ended up not doing a load, folding a load, and just did all the loads. I would like do a load, dry a load, and then put them in a basket. And so I just did that the entire day. And by the end of the day, I had like 100 items of clothes to fold. Oh, good job. Good job. You say good job?
No.
Good job.
No.
Okay, watch out for the clothes. Excuse me. Thank you.
No.
You're welcome.
No, Ali.
Can you put your toys over there?
No.
No, that's for Amari.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is for your baby brother Amari.
No, me.
That's for you?
Yeah.
Oh, you're so smart.
No, Mama.
It's for Mama. Where's Mama's shirt?
Hey.
Yay! High five!
Yeah.
Okay, you smart. Go Azam. Go Azam. What are you doing, Azam?
What is what?
Huh? You playing in the bassinet?
No.
Yes. 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 Can you find me the color purple? Okay, put it in Mommy's hand. The color purple, can you put it in my hand? Thank you. Can you find me the color yellow? Where's yellow? Where is yellow? Yellow. Thank you.
Call.
Star. Good job. Let's do it this way. What's this? Can you say it louder? I can't hear you. What is this? Adam. Sit on your butt. What is this? Triangle. Good job.
Monday. And then 2.
You want to do it too?
Not 2.
Ready? Oop. Oop. You make a mess? All right, wait 1 second. No touching. Okay.
Mama, it's 2.
You want to mix it too?
Not 2.
All right. It's not that hot. We've been letting it sit here and cool off.
Not
So
2.
I don't want you guys thinking that I just got my baby here at the stove. I had the noodles sitting in here for a little bit to let it cool off because I knew he would want to help. He always wants to
No,
help.
Daddy.
So it's really not that too hot. Like I can eat it. Oh, that's it. Okay.
Mama.
Hot. Mix. It's not really hot. It's pretty. It's a good temperature for them to eat right now.
What?
So we're gonna make them some bowls.
Nanny.
Yes.
What?
Yes. of there. Can I put some in your bowl for you? You want some in your bowl?
No.
Yeah. Are you about to eat this?
No eat.
All right. Wait, Asm. Asm. See, it's not hot. He's digging his hands all in it. All right, so I'm gonna get you a spoon. All right, come on, let's go eat. Come on. Go to the table. Is it yum yum? Oh my goodness. Don't worry. Is it good? Oh my goodness. I had to take their rumpers off because I knew they were gonna make a mess. Taking a walk. What are you doing? Oh, okay. You spitting?
No.
Oh.
No.
Oh my goodness. and they are going to sit for two more hours. Alright, I'm leaving out to go get the boys from school. I am a little bit late. It's 3:15. A little bit late. I am about 10 minutes late because I wanted to put the bread, you know, get the bread prepared or whatever. They start getting out of school at like 3:25. So within like the next 10 minutes, it takes me about like 8 minutes to get to their school. So I'm still going to get there when they start getting out, but I like to get there a little earlier because oh, sorry, it's like a new construction around here. Like the cars are just like crazy. Anyway, I try to get to the boys' school before that time because it be other parents that get there like super early, and so sometimes if you come like right when they're letting them out, you're in the back of the line, and my boys be getting so irritated, like, "Mommy, we were the last kids to get out of I guess they hold all the kids." All right, I'm sorry, guys. Like I gotta go. I guess they like hold all the kids like they hold all the kids in like the lunchroom or something like that, a gym class or something. And so like, you know, the kids, like they call the kid's name and the kids leave out as their parents show up to the school. And so when you're last in line, your kid is last inside of the lunchroom. And so my boys are always like, "We were the last kids in there." And so they really get like frustrated and stuff. They don't like being the last of the kids to leave. But they're probably gonna be the last of the kids to leave today. I unlocked it for you. It wasn't just unlocked. I unlocked it for you.
No. I had to open it. I had to do like.
You mean why my doors are locked?
Yeah.
Oh, because I'm gonna keep my doors locked. I'm not just gonna have my doors wide open.
No, locked.
Like, what's going on? She wants us to go around.
Yeah, just go around. Just.
Come on, let's go. Gotta get a couple things from Giant.
Mama.
Hey,
There's nothing any ends in here.
I'm making bread.
What's up, Mama. Mama.
Dinner time. I made some Alfredo, some noodles, and I made some cheesy garlic bread with some homemade bread that I made. I'm about to eat dinner. We do chicken Alfredo, and then we do regular without chicken. Like sometimes, like we eat chicken a lot, so sometimes we do pasta without meat. Boys, that is enough. Azam, that's enough, okay? I'm bringing over your food. There's no need to scream. That's enough. Thank you. I'm about to bring over your food right now. Chaos in here, per usual. It's never 1, 2, 3.
And I can't remember the.
Weird name.
Yeah. It's all numbers. Why? I don't think I don't remember, but that's the only part I know.
Hey, Mark,
He got soft on his hair.
He's gonna pull your hair. He's gonna pull your hair.
Still love you, brother, huh?
That was not funny. No pulling hair.
We laughed at Mark. We thought it was funny.